if I'm not mistaken, several gasoline station pinenalize na eh. So magtulungan tayo, pag meron tayong alam na nag-overprice na ganyan, alam naman po natin minsan, pangit sabihin, pero nagsasamantala eh. Pagbigay alam lang po kagad, kahit sa opisina ko po, kahit sa opisina ng sino man na miyembro ng committee, at i-call po natin ang attention ng DOE para puntahan kagad. Yes, go ahead.
Mr. Chair, thank you. On that note, we just like to double check. I believe we have the ICT here. Is it correct that the eGov app now allows us to report it? Maybe perhaps ask them.
Yes, Mr. Chair. 2 days ago, DOE and the ICT launched po the gasoline station consumers concern sa eGov app. As of today po, nasa 573 na po ang report.
Okay.
At majority po nito po ay overpricing. So at least meron na po tayong, and I wish I could show po yung dashboard. Nagbi-blink po yung...
Sir, can you please state your name, please? Para,
sorry po. I'm David Almerol po. I'm the Undersecretary for E-Government po ng DICT, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Thank you. Siguro mas maging agresibo tayo in trying to advertise the number ng DICT o sino man yung concerned na agency na pwedeng tawagan. Okay? Maging more visible para mas ma-correct lahat yung mga ganyan, mga nagsasamantala sa pagtaas ng presyo.
Yes, Mr. Chair. So,
okay.
Deterrent po yung gagawin po natin.
Okay.
Since po live po sa system, nakikita mo saan po lugar at anong gas station po yung nagbabiolate. So, si DOE po ay nagtalaga na po ng mga tao to investigate po directly po kung sino po yung gasoline station po na nagbabiolate. Ang issue lang po, Mr. Chair, since nationwide na po yung reporting ngayon, actually, ang pinakamarami po ay NCR. Nasa 162 na po ang report for the overpricing. Calabarzon, 138. Central Luzon, 95. And so on and so forth. Mukhang, since bago po tong system na po ito at biglaan po yung launching, mukhang kailangan lang po ng bigyan po ng mas maayos po na response activity, yes. Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Sec. No, if I may suggest, no, probably close coordination with LGU para mabilis ang monitoring.